when
Omushomo ogwo gumazire ebiro bibiri haitendekero lyambara University of Science and Technology gube gugenderire okwanjura okuchondoza okuriyo nikukorwa omu byanga ebirikugabana enyanja ya Victoria kurikuza kumara emyaka 3. Frank Ahimbisibwe omuhangu kuruga haitendekero lyambara University of Science and Technology atugambira habwaki bashaziremu okukora okuchondoza oku.
So tugezo kureba abakuraga amatawuni bameya bitu ba planners site planners na nabona barumba bakora kikurengwa abantu abarumba izo mbibuga no batebekanisiwa obuhereza.
Ahimbisibwe atugambira ko bakwatanise n'amatendekero agandi okuruga mu mahanga gaheru nka Amerika hamwe na Canada,
United Kingdom, Kenya, Tanzania. Tukekora mu muntu twahandika research proposal kwenda kuchondoza kwetegereza abakwatirina na mpinduka y'obwire abukuba
kuyabuzibwa habwaki okuchondoza kwingi kukozirwe konka ebirikurugamu bisigara omu ibikiro. Ahimbisibwe binibyo yatugarukamu.
Twine plan yo kwiza kuzomba abamahurire kuzomba za TV kuzomba za radio tukagamba abakwatirina netwafunde konkana twachoneza twamazire tuzakwita aba stakeholders batosona na abantu abateganisibwa amataba na
local government nangwa na institutions zone za government shimwe kumana zakira research findings ezi kandi policy makers bakazakira bakaziteka mu plans zabo kandi ngito technical people tutanga kuzimplement abo kwazi very important and very useful.
Professor Pauline Byachikachibwika omuhezi wa mukuru w'itendekero lyambara University of Science and Technology yagira ngu ensonga y'ebyobuhangwa hamwe n'empindahinduka y'obwire neetagwa buri omwe okujenyigiramu.
We must all participate and our response must be anticipatory of what is coming in the future, but it also must be evidence-based. At Mara University of Science and Technology, research is core to what we do. We generate evidence.
Yagira ngu ensonga egi tekiri ihanga rimwe ryonka okwihaho nekwata omu nsi yona kandi ashemerere kubaho ekyokukorwa.
It is no longer a distant environmental concern. It is a present development reality for all of us.
Yashaba bari kuchondoza okureba ngu ebibarazore bitakaguma omu bihandiiko konka.
And I hope that we can network in this room, form partnerships to respond to those calls. These days, every call requires a consortium. Every call requires that you're working with a collaborator, either from the south or the north. Without that, you're not going to win that call.
Okuchondoza oku kuri University nka McMaster's University muri Canada, University of Michigan hamwe na Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research hamwe na Mbara University of Science and Technology. Adolf Ayureka, Tayari West TV, Agenshong.